This video gets you set up with your video app in about 60 seconds. 4 quick steps and you're done. Step 1. Grab your phone and tap the setup link from your email. Also copy the 6-digit code as you will need it to confirm your identity. It opens in Safari. Look at the bottom toolbar and tap the share button. That's the box with the arrow pointing up. Step 2. The share sheet slides up. You'll see a list of options, messages, mail, all that. Scroll down to the very bottom and tap the one that says more with the 3 dots. Step 3. Now you're in the actions list. Scroll down until you see Add to Home Screen. It has a little plus sign in a box next to it. Tap it, then tap Add in the top right corner. Step 4. Last one. Go back to your home screen. The ABC Motors video icon is right there with your other apps. Tap it. It opens full screen, just like a real app. That's it. You're done. From here, every time a hot lead comes in, you'll get an alert. Tap it, record your video, send it. That's LotCast from Silent Partner.